Hello, newly freshmen that will be taking the BEX program and take Algebra. I'm Muriel Morales, and I will be discussing and explaining three attributes to be successful in BEX Algebra. But I will also be explaining three mistakes you should avoid in order to be successful. Okay, guys, I'm back, and we'll be just starting off with I will be discussing and explaining to you three attributes to be successful in the BEX algebra. For number one, we have organization. That is a really important one. You guys need to be organized. Mr. Gonzalez, he will ask you to have a binder, and that's where you keep all your quizzes, your tests, your notes for your lesson that he teaches you on. Just like this. It's really cheap. You can just buy them for like what, $1? Guys, just don't be lazy. Just keep your binder organized because Mr. Gonzalez, he actually does this. He will ask you to pull out like a quiz. He's gonna be like, guys, please pull out quiz number 4. You guys will be like, okay, here it is. I have it. Let's go take notes on it, guys. We'll review some problems that you guys missed. And you don't want to be those students who are looking everywhere in their backpack saying, oh my god, I don't know where it is. I think I lost it. Oh no, I'm going to fail. Now I can't even pass my other test that is coming up. But guys, you don't have to be like them. You just got to be organized and clean, okay? For number 2, we have study. Study is a good component. Just at least give 15 minutes of your time to study for any quiz or any test. It's really helpful. You know what the lesson was about. If you have any upcoming tests or quizzes, it also really helps you on your STAR test. It helped me. I remember everything that I needed to do and study, and yeah, I passed it, I think. And lastly, for number 3, we have ask questions. In my opinion, I did ask questions, just not a lot, but it's still important because you always have a question. You're not always going to be that smart and be like, oh, I got it. Like, I know this. No, just ask questions as a teacher, raise your hand, be like, Mister, can you go over this problem again? Like, I really didn't get it. Can you go over it? And it's really helpful, guys. It's just helpful. And those are the 3 we have, and that'll be it for this part. Okay, guys, now I will be explaining 3 mistakes to avoid to be successful. First of all, don't be talking when the teacher is talking or giving out the lesson. Like, this happens a lot of times. I'm in my class. It happened in my class where I see my friends talking and they miss many key important stuff that they can help them in their tests or any quiz that you guys are having upcoming. Like, literally after the lesson ends, they go and ask the teacher or ask other students like, oh, Mister, what was this about? Like, I wasn't paying attention. Can you brief me? And it has happened to me. They asked me, and politely, yes, I do help them a little bit. But it's kind of unfair how I had to put attention and you didn't, and I have to teach it to you now. Also, Mr. Gonzalez, he will explain it to you easy methods on how to solve a problem, and many of those students miss them and they get 20s and zeros on their test, which you guys don't want that, right? And for number 2, please don't have a negative attitude. Algebra is really easy. Many of the students that have been in algebra with Mr. Salas always have that negative attitude like, oh my god, this class is so hard. He gives us a lot of homework and notes. He never lets us rest. God, I think I hate this teacher. And guys, actually, the reason why he gives you a lot of tests and quizzes and lessons is because he's trying to over prepare you for the STAR, which is actually helpful. Because when you take the STAR, you'll thank him and be like, gosh, Mr. Gonzalez, you over prepared us for this test. It was so easy. We got this. I learned everything. So yeah, just don't have a negative attitude because he's here to help you and not torture you, okay? And lastly, don't cheat. It's a key important. Many people cheat and test, and yeah, it helps you on your grade, but not in your head. You actually, when the STAR comes up and you're there, you can't cheat because all those teachers are walking by you every time, every second. And if you cheat, you're out. They cancel your test. You can't do anything now. If you cheat, well, you're not gonna know anything because you're just getting the answers from someone else. Plus, what if you get the answers from someone else and they don't know what they're doing, so they get it wrong and you also get it wrong? And also in the start test, you'll be all like, "Oh my god, I should have studied and never cheated. I'm gonna fail now." But guys, you guys don't want to be like that. You guys want to be successful and be happy and just good luck. Okay, now for this last clip, I just want to be real honest. The Bex program is really easy. It's not that hard. You don't have to be smart. You don't have to be that smart. You have to study, be organized, and just be a good student. It's really easy. Just don't overthink it. Don't overstress yourself. Just make it cool, relax, and you'll just be successful.